Do you want to learn how to set up OBS as a beginner? Well, this is the video for you. Step 1. What you want to do is go in your Google Chrome and type in OBS Studio. I will leave it in the description as well. You want to click on whatever one you want to use, whether you have Windows, Mac or Linux. The main one is Windows. You click on it, you follow the steps to download it, and then you're done. Step 2 to OBS. So you've loaded it up and it should look something like this. It won't have the vertical sources on it, but it will look similar. What you want to do, go on settings, and then you want to go on stream and then click whatever one you want to use, whether that's YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, or you can go on custom and do Kick, and then you just click OK, do all your sign in information or your URL and stream key, and then you just click OK. Next is how to add your gameplay to your screen. So what you want to do is click on plus on sources. Obviously you make a scene first, you name it or whatever you want. You go on sources, click on plus, click on gameplay capture, and then that's done. And if I just open it up and show you, you want it on capture any full screen application, and then click OK, and then that's done. So when you've loaded a game on your computer and you start streaming, then it will show up automatically. But then if you want to just show display capture like this one, if I show you, just click on the plus again, and then what you do is click display capture and then click a specific window that you're using. So if I show you, so my monitor is the MSI G27C4, that's what I'm using, which is my primary monitor. And then that's the video, that's how you record. Obviously you want to leave all the video settings. You can mess around with them. I'll make a separate video of what I've got mine on, and if you want to copy it you can, but that'll be for another video. If you do want a video like that, I will show you how to do it and how to add all of these custom like webcam overlay and socials. I do have a video on that, so check it out. And you just want your audio. So to set up your audio, you just click on desktop properties and you click whatever you're using, whether it's a headset or speakers, you do that. And your microphone is basically the same thing. Just click what microphone you're using, whether that's your headset microphone or like I use a Razer Syrah Mini, that's what I use. You can do that, and you can separate your alert audio to like Stream Elements or Streamlabs, whatever you're using, just to set the volume on your video and the fade for transition, so when you swap scenes. But yeah, let's get to the outro. That was how to set up OBS as a beginner. If you do need help, comment down below. If you did enjoy and you found this helpful, like the video, and also subscribe because I'm almost at 1k. I do live streams every other day, and so you can chat live and maybe join a game if I decide to. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.